Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel. Today we are covering the sequence function. It generates a list of sequential numbers in a single formula, and the result spills automatically. The syntax is sequence, rows, optional columns, optional start, and optional step. All defaults are 1. Let's get into it. Let's start simple. Click the first result cell and type equals sequence. The only required argument is rows. Enter 10 and hit enter. Sequence spills a list of 10 numbers, starting at 1 and incrementing by 1. One argument, one formula, 10 numbers down. Now let's use all 4 arguments. Click the first result cell and type equals sequence. The full syntax is rows, columns, start, and step. Enter 10 for rows, 1 for columns, 100 for start, and 10 for step. Sequence spills 10 values starting at 100 and counting up by 10 each time, ending at 190. Change the start and step to generate any number range you need. Now let's go two-dimensional. Click the first result cell under Create a 5x5 number grid and type equals sequence. Pass 5 for rows and 5 for columns. Hit enter. Sequence fills a 5x5 grid with numbers 1 through 25, filling left to right, row by row. One formula, one cell, 25 numbers spilling automatically. This is the columns argument doing its job. In the previous examples we left it out, which defaults to 1. Set it to 5 and you get a grid. The last example shows sequence at its most powerful. Click the result cell and type equals sequence. For rows, use rows of table 2. That nests rows inside sequence to automatically count the Pokemon in the table. 14 ranking numbers, 1 per row. The list is fully dynamic. A couple of things to keep in mind. Sequence requires Excel 365 or Excel 2021. In older versions, you would need to use row and column functions to simulate it. If there are not enough empty cells for the result to spill into, you will get a spill error. Clear those cells and the formula will work. The real power of sequence comes when you nest it with other functions, like we saw with rows, to make fully dynamic lists that update automatically. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your Excel models with dynamic lists and auto-generated data like this, and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.